moment that you wake up, I'll just say what I've been trying to say but couldn't get the nerve up. I've been nervously deciding if right now is the right timing for the truth. It's hard out. The way I said I liked you wasn't thought out. Should've practiced in the mirror, worked the kinks out. Now my heart begins to sink as you reply you need to organize your room. Oh, the ocean moves slowly. Love, hurry 'cause I'm lonely. Stay in bed forever till I die now. So embarrassed of my suffering, I'm shy now. I tried to show you who I am, but I guess you didn't really wanna see. Bye now. While you kiss someone else, I'll probably hide out. And wait for someone new to come and find out that I've got lots to offer, that I'm kind and kind of awesome. Yeah, you'll see. Oh, the ocean moves slowly. Love, hurry 'cause I'm lonely. You got drunk and said you love me, but I wouldn't come inside. I've got options, trust me. Yeah, I know other guys. Sometimes you're just so awful, and all my friends agree. But I can't help the way I stumble. You look good when you've been me. You disappear for weeks at least. You barely have a job. Don't know why, feels like recently I'm choking on exhaust. And you held my head on the chain that one night in the cold. Asked me could you stick around, and I fucking told you no. But I've got time for you. You make me wanna die without trying to. Be careful, I'm easy to crush. Yeah, I know I'm busy enough, but I Did you go chasing after me and not see that it hurt? When you replayed all your histories of lines and ripping shirts, now you're screaming that you're angry, that you retraced all my steps. Please stop saying that you're changing. Get the fuck out of my bed, cause I need someone else who every night remembers I exist, who doesn't say that he's ready but then can't ever commit. All I know is that you're bad for me, and I'm like bad enough. Still when I'm alone in some hotel room, you're the one I want. Cause I've got time for you. You make me wanna die without trying to. Be careful, I'm easy to crush. Yeah, I know I'm busy enough. Count on is you not coming through. So why do I find myself wishing I was next to you, in a crowd full of people on South 2nd, but I'm still texting you. I'm sick of that, I'm sick of the second you leave, how I invest in you. Well, I made plans tonight, but I'm panicked, feel like canceling. Damn it, I hang on your lips like they're a cliff till I slip and vanish. You said in a couple months you might be ready, and part of me's still hoping, but you won't be, and both of us, we know it. I've got time for you. You make me wanna die without trying to. Be careful, I'm easy to crush. Yeah, I know I'm busy enough.
Tie-dye turtleneck, gap teeth, braces.
So you think that I'm a weirdo? I don't fit inside a box, and just say I wasn't raised right. You don't like the way I talk. So you think that I'm a freak show, and you're afraid of what it means. Cause if everybody's different, maybe you're a freak like me. So you think that I'm a weirdo, that I act a little strange, but I like being a weirdo, and I don't ever wanna change. I don't wanna live a safe life. I got too much soul, always kicking, screaming, crying, cursing, fighting, so defiant. I don't do what I am told. So you think that I'm a freak show? I wonder what that really means. Cause if everybody's different, maybe you're a freak like me. So you think that I'm a weirdo, that I act a little strange, but I like being a weirdo, and I don't ever wanna change. No, 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 no. But no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Weirdo, and I don't ever wanna change. When you're alone, locked inside, do your judgments still apply? Do you ever wonder
So you think that I'm a weirdo? That I act a little strange?
But I like being a weirdo, and I don't ever wanna change. So you think that I'm a weirdo? So you think that I'm a weirdo? So you think that I'm a weirdo? But I'm not ever gonna change. Don't think I've been this nervous with the cold drink in my 2 hands, saying no thanks. Like any way it goes, cause I know things they shouldn't have told me. Now I'm thinking what for? Hanging by a sentence at the drugstore, barely even steady out the front door. Hate my own shit, but I love yours. Fuck, I really love yours. 7 in the afternoon, half asleep, count the cars. All I think about is you, constantly. That's the hard part. Static on the line, I hear it all the time, but I'm quiet when you make me fade. Feel it coming back, watch it turn to black, but I'm brighter when you make me fade. You make me fade. You make me fade. You make me brighter when you make me fade. Tangled, found myself waking in the same clothes, shaking from my temple to my ankles. Sunny, but I need another raincoat. Waiting by a payphone, finally I coughed up some awful information that I thought of. Well, they think I've been messing with the wrong stuff. Nah, I've been messing with the right shit. Yeah, I fucking like it. I'm waiting for the call to come. Who could say it was easy? Sad about the bad I've done on my grave. Please believe me. Static on the line, I hear it all the time, but I'm quiet when you make me fade. Feel it coming back, watch it turn to black, but I'm brighter when you make me fade. You make me fade. You make me fade. You make me brighter when you make me fade. Swear I've been trying to reach you, I'm dying. You kill me while you keep your phone all on silent. Recognize my role, I fucked up the timing, but you and I lately been acting like islands. Make a girl wanna get stupid and violent, but silently I've been eyeing the horizon. Patterns repeat, it shouldn't be surprising. You know you make me fade. You make me fade. You make me brighter when you make me fade. You make me fade. You make me fade. You make me brighter when you make me fade. Static on the line, I hear it all the time, but I'm quiet when you make me fade. Feel it coming back, watch it turn to black, but I'm brighter when you make me fade. sand. Look for the hole in the fence. Take everything you demand, fast as you can, and run for your life. 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 Follow the chemical sand. Look for the hole in the fence. Take everything you demand, fast as you can. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life.
Your mind is created by your name.
My name isn't Catherine. My name isn't Crystal. My name isn't Nikki or Chad or Sebastian. But thank you for asking. Drunk on a mattress, kissing an actress, taking the last sip. They call that a hat trick. It turns out the sad kids become the Brad Pitts. Ain't that rich? My name is a question. I reckon in whether my parents were laughing or stressing when they had to give me their blessing and pray that it lasted. I went from the classroom, acing exams in a regular fashion, and searching for God in a bathroom. And I wonder now, how the fuck did it happen? Tracing the lines, but the lines get blurred. Yeah, the pot gets smoked and the pocket stirs. And my concert was dope, but I'm not so sure. I've been feeling the end of my rope insecure. Wish I was taller and bigger, but smaller too. I want a mansion to wander through. I want to appear on the CNN caller. I want to be leisurely tanning Bahama cruise. I want to lose, nothing to lose. Give me the juice, sipping a brew. Because the news making me blue, giving me anxiety. Bang, slide to us, tanks firing, bang, bang. A lot catch sight of it, straight out of luck. You're dead. Society's pill popping out. Dad lied to me, still talk about it with my therapist, so I don't go jumping off terraces. My name isn't Catherine. My name isn't Crystal. My name isn't Nikki or Chad or Sebastian. But thank you for asking. Drunk on a mattress, kissing an actress, taking the last sip. They call that a hat trick. It turns out the sad kids become the Brad Pitts. Ain't that rich? My name is obnoxious. My name is preposterous. My name is an albatross around my neck, tightening up a grip, and it's making me nauseous. My name is a lineage. I am a guinea pig. Am I a genius? Am I an idiot? Am I just digits inside of the matrix? Existence is boxing me in like a cage every day. Yeah, my name is a shadow. It wraps itself around me just like a lasso. Follow me from NYC out to Glasgow, pounding me into the ground like a gavel, so you can't escape. Look in the envelope, sealing my fate. I'm feeling the pain of a person who's spreading the love, but witnesses hate. Wait, I rewind to decide to be kind whenever I can, so I'm making a beeline for all of my friends and my enemies, even the ones who have declined to be fine with everyone being their self. They say that we're going to hell, but I tell my chick I can tell that they just been crying for help. We all can be somebody else, cause everyone's feeling afraid. We all have the power to change. chose her name. Nobody even chose her name. Nobody even chose her. I thought that my name was unique, but it was naive to believe that. Turns out there's many of me walking around on the planet, and one day the tables will turn. I'll look at my newborn baby and know that her name is a curse. Isn't it crazy? My name isn't Catherine, my name isn't Crystal, my name isn't Nikki or Chad or Sebastian. But thank you for asking. Drunk on a mattress, kissing an actress, taking the last sip. They call that a hat chick. It turns out the sad kids become the Brad Pitts. I'm done with fake conversations and LA dives. I'm done with blackouts and regrets and bloodshot eyes. I'm done with waiting to feel high. I'm done with living inside of a swimming pool. I'm done with making then breaking my every rule. I'm sick of cheating myself so cool. And I said goodbye. You could call me 2 a.m., babe. I'm good to drive. Poured out the last beer. Yeah, I'm here all night. You could call me 2 a.m., babe. I'm good to drive. I'm done with fast talking, cool guys and cigarettes. I'm done with overreacting to stupid shit. I'm sick of saying the word yes. I want you to know you can count on me. 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. I wanna carry you, and I want you to carry me. Sensitive, I'm peeling back my skin. You got me raw, raw, so emotional. Raw, raw, oh, I feel exposed. Chainsaw, buzzing in my throat. Pressure building up inside my chest. You pull the stitches out again. I feel the feelings creeping in. You got me raw, 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 raw. I came up from the depths of hell with a golf club in my hand. You disarm me, no defense, my armor turned to sand. It's hard to escape, the wounds are the past. Every time I feel something real, I wanna take it back. Sensitive, I'm peeling back my skin. You got me raw, raw, so emotional. Raw, raw, oh, I feel exposed. back my skin. Talking too loud, and could I hang with the jocks? It's never easy to be different inside, but when you don't give a fuck, it's just like riding a bike. I try to tell them see you later, but they don't wanna let me go. I send my love to all the haters. Yeah, I just wanna let them know this baby don't cry. This baby don't cry. Like, was I pretty enough? And am I good at sex? I used to wanna say an early goodbye, but I'm a disco queen, I just keep staying alive. I try to tell them see you later, but they don't wanna let me go. I blow a kiss to all the haters. Yeah, I just wanna let them know this baby don't cry. Don't cry. In bed, dreaming of crazy things inside my crazy head. Nobody tells you when you're just a kid that the rules all change, you gotta lose to win. So I sit back and just enjoy the ride, watch my worries, wave goodbye. Don't get embarrassed if my moves are wrong. Baby, I'll sing off key, but you still love this song. You love this song. This baby don't cry. You got a new tattoo, dead on arrival, typed out plainly. You only like bad news, sleep in your coffin like a baby. Beautiful trees outside, sky is a bright blue. You see storm clouds, storm clouds. You think it's hot to be sad, but it's not. You're an ex-prom queen, slipping stones in your docks. In a circle of people with fun that's illegal, you act like a cop. You're the sequel that sucks. Doors always have their locks. Like, why even try when we're already fucked? Got your hands on a laptop, face in the mud, just stop. You give me bad vibes, bad times, bad nights with you. Yeah, I get bad energy. that smoking causes cancer. Say that it's just depressing. When basic girls sing Tiny Dancer. Sip all your drinks on ice, no surprise. Your backyard's filled with stray cats, and that's sad. You think it's cooler to have dark thoughts, never eat ice cream, only take white drugs. In a circle of people without any reason to love, you're a god. I've been screaming a lot. How is the earth so hot? Like, why even try when it's already fucked? Got your hands on a laptop, face in the mud, just stop. You give me bad vibes, bad times, bad nights with you. Yeah, I get bad energy, sick pleasure from you. You can't drag me down, you can't drag me down. You can't drag me down, you can't drag me down. 'Cause I feel good, yeah, I'm real good. Said I feel good, damn, I feel good. You give me bad vibes, bad times, bad nights with you. Yeah, I get bad energy, sick pleasure from you. You give me bad vibes, bad times, bad nights with you. Yeah, I get bad energy, sick pleasure from you. The boy I love's got another girl. He might be fucking her right now. I don't have an apartment. Thought if I was smart I'd make it far, but I'm still at the start. Guess I'm contagious. It'd be safest if you ran. Fuck, that's what they all just end up doing in the end. Take my car and paint it black. Take my arm, break it in half. Say something, do it soon. It's too quiet in this room. I need noise, I need the buzz of a sub, need the crack of a whip, need some blood in the cup. I need noise, I need the buzz of a sub, need the crack of a whip, need some blood in the cut. I need blood in the cut, I need blood in the cut. Let back up with the boy I love. fell out, and I don't know if I can take the hit. I let a stranger in my bed, I pretended you were him, 'cause I needed to feel wanted. Fuck it up, screaming 'cause I've got it too good to cry. I put the medicine inside my head, apologize for all the things I said. Girl, it takes guts just to survive. Soul in my body, but no one keeping me honest in whole days, turning the holes in my mind. I got high hopes, lots of potential, I'm high, broke, searching for symbols, and I will not let go of what is mine. I got so much soul in my body, but no one keeping me honest in whole days, turning the holes in my mind. We got a whole new state of mind, buzzing all high on a tightrope, eyes lit up like the Vegas side. Nobody around got a husband, nobody around got a wife to call. Think about when I felt lovesick, doesn't really sound like a life at all. I'm in the mood for a plot twist, never cared what I'm supposed to be. Fuck living life in an office, my eyes know not focusing. Wishing my future would carve out banknotes and dinner plans, but we look better with the stars out. Waking up to go to sleep again. Me and my friends, bigger than blood, just trying to breathe something. Bigger than dust, I need to keep my mind moving on up, because it's always rolling down, always rolling down. a fair place. Bad people got the nicest things. Same shit playing on the airwaves. Naked girls, diamond rings. All my life been a good kid. So what, I got a broken car. Move my shit out of Brooklyn. Laughed out loud, fell apart. Money's overrated. Sex ain't hard to find. We're not in love. Since when is that a crime? Me and my friends, bigger than blood, just trying to breathe something bigger than dust. I need to keep my mind moving on up because it's always rolling down, always rolling down. I thank God, feeling warmer, getting closer, all we've got. Push it further, almost over, one last sip. Kiss me like you really mean it, times like this. I want something to believe in. I thank God, feeling warmer, getting closer, all we've got. Push it further, almost over, one last sip. Kiss me like you really mean it, times like this. I want something to believe in. Me and my friends, bigger than blood, just trying to breathe something bigger than dust. I need to keep my mind moving on up because it's always rolling down, always rolling down. Me and my friends, bigger than blood, just trying to breathe something bigger than dust. I need to keep my mind moving on up because it's always rolling down, always rolling down. It's been so long since I went dancing, dancing. It's been so long since I felt this handsome, handsome. Surfing on the feeling like a 10-foot wave. Flying on the floor, I'm a disco plane. Vibe is alive and it's in my veins. Yeah, I like how I feel and I feel insane. Free in my heart, I got love for the people I just met, I don't even know them. I used to lock up myself in the closet, but fuck it, I'm just gonna show them.
Shaking up all other negative emotions. Can't believe my heart was feeling kinda broken. Neon dreaming, spinning, ceiling, what a moment.
It's been so long since I went dancing, dancing. It's been so long